Some people go off to college and they dread coming home. Because Lord knows they done learn a whole bunch of stuff. They done learn that ginger ale ain't medicine. There's a class war in many instances between the higher educated and the lesser educated. I know people who are great philosophers, are great technicians, storytellers, but they don't have a degree. And we've created a structure where if you don't have a degree for what you're saying, hash them out. Wait for somebody who got a degree to say the same thing you say for us to, oh, brilliant. There has to be a reconciliation between the higher educated and lesser educated people. Most of that is not driven by intelligence, it's driven by attitude. We don't have to do that.